All right, Marker Mod Dude here again with a special unboxing of my new Samsung Galaxy Space Age. S for Space Age? No? S25 Ultra. Now, this is a beast of a phone. I had no idea how powerful this thing was. Actually, I bought the Pixel 9 Pro XL, and that thing is like half the speed of this. This has a 100 zoom camera, which all the other phones in the market only have a 30 zoom.
Yeah.
And this is equivalent to a Nikon P1000 that does 125 zoom. That's like a $1,200 camera in this freaking phone. It's sickening. So lightning fast, like the speed, they did some like speed tests and all that. This thing is the newest processor. It blows away every phone in the market. I mean, just absolutely incredible. And this is the, let me see which one this is here. This is the 256 gigabyte version. There's a 512 version. I mean, these are really expensive phones. But check this out. Right now, they got a deal at AT&T where that if you trade in a device that qualifies, you get this one for free. This is like a $1,300 phone for freaking free. Can't beat that. Anyways, let's unbox this bad boy and see what it's all about. All right, let's check it out. Let's check it out. Okay. Yeah, and actually I returned it. Today was my last day to exchange the Pixel, and I saw some specs, and I said, I gotta pull this. I gotta pull it. I gotta exchange it.
Too.
Look at this. Well, will you look at that? Okay, so can you see that right there? And I'm actually recording from my old Pixel 4. It's funny. So we look at the 3 cameras that comes there.
And 2 smaller ones.
Yeah.
That's why it's 100 zoom. Because if you look at the Plus, it doesn't have that.
Yeah. Well, this. Ooh, let's see. I can't even get out of here, dude. It's stuck in there, dude.
Dang, it's in a box.
The freak.
It's thick.
Wow. Look at this thing. It's no joke. So let's take a quick look at the cameras, so you could just see the beast. One of them has like what 100 megapixel or something like that.
I don't know.
I mean, I don't know all the specs, guys. So you got to look it up. But this is a flagship of flagship devices. Titanium. Look at that. Look at this. Look at that. How beautiful. And then it's got the little stylus pen. Oh my God. Look at that. Will you look at that? And then if you click the button right there, it takes a picture.
Photos.
Yeah.
It's like your own photo.
Wow. All right, so let's check it out here. Let's take out the screen here. Let's see what we got. Oh, look at that. She's a beauty. So it's supposed to be black, but it's interesting because you still got silver on the sides. So it's not really a black phone. I mean, it's black on, was it silver? Titanium? Yeah, so it's not, fully black. So I'm going to have a full black case anyway, so it don't even matter. All right, so then on the sides here, we got the power button, the volume up and down rocker. We got over here the SIM card slot right there, which now you use eSIM, so you don't even need a SIM. But I like SIM. I'm old school because if something happens, I can pop out the SIM and put it in a new phone. But these come with eSIM, so you don't even need one. Okay, but I'm old school. All right, so let's turn. Oh, actually, what else in the box? Nothing else?
Check that stuff.
Let's check right there. Let's see what else. It should be a cable or something to transfer stuff.
Yeah.
So in here, what's in here? Let's see. Okay. So yeah, this is all that comes now. These phones do not come with no chargers anymore. So you're gonna hear people complaining, it doesn't come with the charger brick. It doesn't come. It comes with a cable, so you can transfer. This cable, you'll have to buy a Type-C charger for it. So standard in the industry, all phones come like that. So don't be surprised. If you buy it at the store, some of the people might not tell you, like the third-party retailers. And it's got a SIM popper right there. Okay, a pimple popper? Okay. Anyways, so let's turn this bad boy on and let's see what we got. Okay. Let's see them. Shouldn't be dead. They always come with at least 50%.
Well, not
No?
turning on.
No. There it goes. Okay, so it says first boot up. You want to see? Be careful. It's.
Oh, it's light.
Yeah. So hold it right here. So we can see, this is the first boot up. So the first boot up always takes longer. I'm telling you, AT&T's got some good deals right now. Don't pass them up. Welcome. Start. So I'm just gonna do a general here, just to get to the main screen. I'm not gonna, do anything fancy. It wants you just to agree. You always got to give your life away. and then you could do the transfer from the Galaxy or Android. You could even transfer from an iPhone or set up manually. I'm gonna do it manually. What I'll do is I'll restore from my cloud backup. Choose your Wi-Fi. We'll just skip that for now, and then it's gonna prepare. And I don't have the SIM card in there at all right now, so because it's actually in the phone I'm using to record this. So this is just gonna probably try to activate, but it's not in there. Let's see if it even lets me get past this. All right, so once we're gonna do this later. So you could activate it if you got an eSIM. You activate it. When you activate an eSIM, you just got to connect it to Wi-Fi, and then it activates. Okay, we'll set up later. Okay, copy apps. We'll do that later. And then it's got all the different things you want to do. Face recognition. I started liking face recognition. It's really neat. But of course, they got your face print on their system to skip anyway. And then some more Google services. So this has a Samsung UI on top of the Google UI. It's got some different things here: auto blocker, customized services, personalized intelligence. The only thing I'll probably miss on this phone is basically that this phone I like dark. Ooh, wow! How do you not like dark mode? Mm-hmm. My daughter has a S25 Ultra or Plus. She likes the light, but I like the dark mode.
It's too dark.
Welcome to the dark side.
What? My phone's blue. So.
Okay, look, you're all set up, whole screen. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that. She's a beauty.
How much bigger is yours?
We'll see. Mine's bigger than your whole case put together. Put it over here a little bit. So she's got the S25 Plus, and then the S25. This is a 6.9, 6.8 inch. Yeah. So it's a little bit difference.
That one's more boxy.
Yeah.
See, this one's more round.
But you know what? I'm gonna get rid of this Samsung UI. I mean, I like using the Nova launcher anyways. So this. I mean, it's good, but it's kind of, for me, in my opinion, it's primitive. It's still old school. Samsung hasn't really changed much in their UI.
What does that mean?
I mean, it still has, look at the home buttons here. You could probably change all that to make it fluid.
Oh.
But in the settings, maybe, I don't know yet. I'll have to look. It's called gestures. But basically, I mean, it's just basic stuff. Let's see what it says here. Quick notifications. It's got a few things at once. Oh, yeah. And then how do I get to settings? Oh, right there. Wow, she knows it better than me because she's had a Samsung. But look at that. I mean, this is pretty innovative. It's got all the different stuff there. So if you had a Samsung, then you're used to all this. I'm coming from a Pixel. But look how beautiful it looks in black mode. That's what I'm talking about. That's beautiful right there. So yeah, and let's see what it's running. Let's go to About and see what it's running here. Software information. So look, it's running the One UI version 7.0, Android version 15. And it's got the system update from October 1st. So this is outdated. Of course, I'll have to update the software once I sign into my Wi-Fi and all that stuff. Now, the main thing, though, I want to get to is the camera. The camera of cameras. I mean, this literally has a camera that's like a beast of a camera. I mean, I can't even stress enough the zoom that this thing does. So let's see. So look at this. So it's going to go 3x, 5x. How do I zoom it out? Look at that, 100 zoom. You could literally see like Hawaii from California with 100 zoom. You think? Nah, not that far. But basically, I mean, that is just...
Yeah, because the Plus only goes to 30.
Look at that. Oh, 100 zoom. Oh my freaking God. I'm in heaven. So basically, I mean, that's in a nutshell. I mean, that's basically what you get. I mean, you could look up all the other stuff if you want. It's got the things already built in. All the Google stuff in one little folder here. But it's look at the phone dialer, recents, contacts. The only thing I'll probably miss is I had a caller spam filter with Google, which I don't know if this one does. Let's see, settings. I don't know if it does have it on there. Like it's got like it monitors your calls. That's the only thing I'll miss. But maybe this has something similar. I don't know. I just got it today, and that's about it. I mean, this is a beauty. So basically, there it is. This is the Samsung 25 Space Age 25 Ultra. from AT&T for free with your eligible upgrade. The 256 gigabyte model. If you want the 512, I think it's like a few bucks a month. But this one here basically is for free. And you cannot beat that on a 36 financed option, all right? So if you like this video, make sure you give a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to the notification bar. Until next time, peace out.